So today we went on a boat, that's over there, and we sailed out to Santa Cruz Island, where some of the Sargassum, which is the invasive species that we're doing research on, is located. We went snorkeling to find a sample of this invasive species, and also to see what kind of environment it's in and what kind of animals live in it, and just to learn more about it and how it is in its natural habitat. So this project started out from last year when we were in scientific research, and Miss Evans had us do this. Our final was on the Sargassum horneri. She brought up the idea for us last year, but what essentially was, she made us map it out, do more research on it, and figure out what it really was. This year, we took it a step further. We want to really get to know about what it's doing, rather than just go on a computer and figure out how long it's been growing for and invading for. But now we actually got a feel for it. We went out, we got samples, we got a lot of samples. We're plant pressing it now, and we're gonna be labeling it and sending it into different foundations, for instance, LA water keepers and stuff, just so we can show them what it is and what's going on with it. We've also got cool shots with it underwater, and we're just going to take it into a lab, and we're going to do more further research about like the chemical properties of it, what creates this, what it's made out of, to see if there's a way that we can further stop this intrusion, because it's affecting our natural ecosystem here. First off, it's invading, it's killing off the natural kelp in the area, which then creates opportunity for foreign animals and foreign species to come and make home into the Sargassum, which further ruins the harmony that this ecosystem is, like the natural ecosystem, because it's destructing it, and therefore when it comes here, what happens is our fish that eat the natural kelp no longer have this natural kelp to eat, and the fish that we feed off of, we no longer have, because they're dying off or they're leaving. With the help of Miss Evans, she had this program that tracked how long it's been expanding for, and I believe it goes back to like 2003. Its intrusion has caused us to, it's gained a lot of attention from people, like from marine biologists and people in the area out here, because they've been noticing that it grows at such a rapid pace. So what we did with the help of ArcGIS, which is this mapping program, we have created a map to find where it's located and its hot spots, and where it's densely located the most, for instance, where it grows the most and where it tends to recede and come back, since it does have a quick reproductive rate. We've also made an app for foundations like LA water keepers, so that they can further also track this Sargassum and see like the update from it after this project. This is part of the Lexus Eco Challenge, which is this challenge that we do. Clark actually has 3 teams. We're just one of them. We're the EcoNarcs 3.0. And the Lexus Eco Challenge is here to basically raise awareness about different problems that are going on in our world, and how students go on board to go conquer these problems.